Bye bye guys. Double tap settings. Tapos punta lang tayo ng smart service. Realme 5 or Realme 5i. Yan guys. Back muna tayo. Mali pala. Convenience tool. Convenience tool. Gesture and motion ulit. Screen off. Gestures. Double tap guys yan. Double tap. Okay. Yan lang guys. Settings. Sa convenience tool. Gesture in motion. Pero dapat guys naka-on pa rin to guys ha. Yan, dapat highlights yan. Gesture in motion. Okay. Double tap to turn on. Okay. Yun lang guys. Bukan natin kung gumana to. Antayin natin guys mag ano. Antayin natin. Tingnan natin guys. Wait lang natin guys ha.
Napaka-majestic ito kasi it was intended as part of the Burnham plan. 21 years na akong empleyado ng British Corporation.
Tagal mag-off. Ayan guys, subukan natin double tap. Ayun. Ayun. Ayun.
May bulak ka naman.
May?
Bulak.
Meron.